Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. I created this Instagram baddie look inspired by DMR319 on Instagram. If this is your first time here, my name is Ty. Welcome. And those returning, welcome back. That is the look that I tried to recreate. I give you skin, I give you makeup, I give you all of the above in this tutorial. So if you are interested, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that like button. All right, so first things first, I always use my Tarte ShapeTape to prime my eyelids. I love it because it dries down super quickly. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, very similar to the Subculture palette. And here I am just dabbing, swirling, dabbing and blending, applying the color and blending it out. Then taking the next shade, softly blending out the edges. Here, super simple, I'm cutting the crease, showing you exactly how I did it. No cuts. Using that same shape tape and carving it out with a lip brush. After I pat that concealer, blend it out to make sure it's even, I go in with the Juvia's Place palette. The Zulu, I believe. Boom. And these palettes do not have names for their shades, so you're just gonna have to kind of follow along. But that pigment is crazy. And if it seems like I'm dead, y'all, it's midnight on a Saturday night. I'm tired, so sorry. But next I go into that pink shimmer shade, tap it right on. Nice synthetic brush to help me carve it right on out. After that, I go in with a black liner, I believe by Unique. And it is super black. I love it. And then I go back into that Makeup Revolution palette and just start blending it out. Super easy, right? Now, upcoming is my favorite part. Y'all know I already love green, and blue is my absolute favorite color. So I'm taking that teal shade and I'm popping it in the inner corner. Check it out. That pigment, y'all. Gotta love it. Oh, y'all, this next step was so treacherous. I tried to do this whole Instagram baddie thing, spraying my face, but listen, it was at this moment that I realized I had messed up. You hear me? That spray held on to that highlighter and it was not letting go. I about cried. You hear me? Look at this. First of all, why? Who needs that much highlight ever in life? I was on my Princess Bella, or is it Bella Princess? I can't remember off the top of my head, but I was on my Bella Princess stuff and I thought I was about to get it, honey. No. Instagram baddie makeup, or at least the highlight. Whoa! Oh! Wow! What is that? I was so mad. And I was not getting ready to start this tutorial over, okay? So y'all was gonna get all this yellow and green on the side of my face. But I tried to calm it down with a little bit of contour. Tried to calm it down with my all over powder brush, kind of blend it out without moving my makeup. It was just a traumatizing experience for me, y'all. But I should have known better. Her highlighters are crazy pigmented. The first time I ever used her highlighters, I had that exact same face. And I probably wouldn't be so mad if it wasn't bright yellow / bright green sitting on the side of my face. Like, for the record, I like these highlighters. I even like the one that was on the side of my face, but I couldn't handle it in my life. And then I still didn't stop. Why didn't I learn? Look, I got a full highlighter mustache just sitting there. Why? Just stop, girl. Just stop. Go in with my lashes. Y'all have seen me do lashes before, but I'm not comfortable with doing a full lash tutorial, so y'all just have to watch this. And I hope y'all get it. Oh, okay, maybe not, because I chopped this up pretty bad. But this is how I put on my lashes. I rarely use tweezers. Boom. So that is a Coconutty lipstick by MAC. It's like a deep gold with shimmer shade, and that is a Rimmel London lip pencil in Coffee Bean. I actually use that quite a bit. And see what I mean? It's like a gold shimmery color, but it's more muted. It's not super duper pigmented. And now I'm going in to define my contour just a little bit, blending out the contour and the highlight. Good Lord. And there you have it, peeps. I was able to calm it down a little bit. Oh, that was tragic. But that is the finish look. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Technically, this is all drugstore because the Juvia's Place palettes are actually pretty affordable. And of course, y'all know Makeup Revolution. But if you like this video, please show me some love. Don't forget to subscribe if you so feel the need to do so. And on that note, I love you guys. Be good, be smart, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.